difference between Java and JavaScript? Well, because of their namesake, people tend to think Java and JavaScript are the same or even similar, but they couldn't be more different. That's what I explained to you in this video. I think the difference is quite clear to see when you look at the Hello World program for each of the languages. With JavaScript, you can see it's just one line, very simple. But then when it comes to Java, you've got 3-4 different lines, and it looks unnecessarily complicated. In fact, you could probably compare Java to the C languages in that regard, in terms of what seems like unnecessary content in simple programs. And JavaScript you could compare to Python in that sense, where it's very simple and easy to understand. Despite their similar names, they are used in completely different industries, so it's not like you'll use one instead of the other. So with Java, it can be used on many devices such as smartphones, computers, that kind of thing. But JavaScript is primarily used for web, so websites, adding functionality to websites, that kind of thing. So you wouldn't use one instead of the other in that instance. So you can't say, should I use Java or JavaScript? Because sometimes you might need to use both together, and they're also used for completely different situations. If you want to learn client-server scripting, then JavaScript is your best language to go. JavaScript adds dynamic pictures, images, text, all that kind of stuff to your website. And as I said before, Java is completely different. Java is used primarily on the web, more so on the server side, and can make applets. So it can make things more all-round than JavaScript can, because it's a more all-round programming language, and JavaScript is strictly a scripting language. Another common question is, what's the best language to learn first? Not just between Java and JavaScript, but two programming languages, or one programming language. Java is an absolute no. Java is a very complicated programming language, kind of like C++, or C, or C#. But JavaScript is a very easy, user-friendly language, kind of like Python. So with Python, where that's a very good language to learn first, JavaScript would be put in that realm. But when you compare it with Java, Java is more like C#, C kind of thing. So you shouldn't learn Java first. You might have thought I was done there, but there's more. With Java, there's so much you can do, because Java isn't especially known as one of those top programming languages to the average person, such as Python or C. But Java can be used in many scenarios, such as embedded into electronics or embedded systems, games such as Minecraft, and even e-commerce websites, all sorts. So if you learn Java, you've got many opportunities to implement it into your programming. And Java is one of those programming languages where if you learn it, you've got a whole host of opportunities to go into. With JavaScript, it's far more limited. It's specifically used for web pages, but it has a lot of power. 94.5% of the top 10 million websites use JavaScript. So if that isn't telling you how important JavaScript is, nothing ever will. JavaScript is an extremely powerful tool if you want to do anything on the web development side. And like I said before, it can be used to add interaction, animation, that kind of thing to your website. So both languages are very important, but despite their name, they're not similar at all in the slightest. So if you like that video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. Tell me any other videos you want to see. If you want more programming style videos, click somewhere there, will come up on the screen. If you want my other few vlogs that I've been experimenting with, description, Instagram, description, other playlists, description. So like and subscribe. Until next time, bye. So